Hello to all interested folks. I'll now show you this concept and how it's assembled. I deliberately placed the structure on soft ground and on Euro pallets to demonstrate that almost any surface can work. Once the first concrete foundation piece is level and properly in place, what's underneath is no longer critical. Follow me so you don't miss more videos about my inventions. Our concept is that these concrete blocks are sized and weighted so that two persons with average strength can lift it. But the idea is that you only need two people to set up the floor. The entire floor is concrete, like this. And after the floor is in place, all the rest of the structure can be assembled alone. This cube or secure framework or shelter, whatever we call it, completely by yourself. This concrete block weighs 150 kilos and basically this is how the lift is made. And you don't need electricity or a generator or anything to assemble this house by yourself. Completely alone. I put it together entirely by myself. I only used another person to set up the floor. You don't need many different elements or tools to assemble this house. There are specially developed metal fasteners with pockets. If we look at it from here, you can see they have pockets. When you place the concrete element in here, you can release the winch and the element stays in place. These bolts are just for fixing and strengthening the structure. So these metal corners or corner pieces I had left over, they basically look like this. So there you go. And I have another invention I will present you on my channel, so follow me to have overview of my activity. This prototype was set up in January 2022. Of course, we have developed But the reason not to pour it immediately at 100 millimeters thick is that a person can't lift a 300 kilo block anymore. Even with two people, and that thickness of C30-37 is enough to be safe for assembly. Even using this winch, it's no longer possible. That's why they need to remain 150 kilos. So basically the experiment worked in that it's on soft ground and you don't need electricity, generators, or fossil fuels. Soon there will be videos of assembly and transport. There is important to tell that there is possible any time to increase the size of the construct. Follow for more information. Extremely important argument of development of this type of concrete building is you can set up it hard to reach places. The idea is that with a specially made wheeled cart, or let's say such a transport device, two people can carry it in, and as I mentioned, one person can set it up alone in a single day. The assembly speed is really important. You can erect this security structure in just one day.